Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can turn on the swipe between web pages feature on Microsoft Edge in 2026. So let us dive into this now, guys. Let me explain what I mean by that. There is a feature on Microsoft Edge you may use, for example, to give your mouse the opportunity to swipe between web pages via specific mouse gestures like movements, for example, and like on a tablet, for example, or on a smartphone, using your mouse. And you can enable this feature by navigating to your browser settings. In the top right, click on these three dots, select settings. Inside your settings, navigate to accessibility on your left panel. And from that menu, guys, what you want to do is scroll down and under usability, click into swipe between pages to disable this feature, or enable it if you'd like to use it. So as explained just a moment ago, this will allow you to navigate back and forth or forward through web pages here on Edge with a swipe gesture by your mouse. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.